me to take a little drive, and uh-oh, we're stuck. Not for long. Try this again. All right. There we go. Take a little drive here and through the streets of Anoka after the snow event last night. Going down my street here in Brisbane. It looks like we're getting the streets cleared pretty well. I just called my boss a little bit ago. Told him I was going to be late for work because I had to take my wife into work because she doesn't like driving on this garbage. And he told me that the school district here in Anoka-Hennepin is closed today. I've been with the district since, what, 2003? This is only the second time that they've ever closed the district. Last time they closed was the 22nd of September 2005 after a tornado had gone through here the night before. Straight ahead is Fredmore Middle School. Kind of bouncing a little bit. I'm sure the video is picking that up too. Smoother now. I was out shoveling a little while ago, and I tell you what, this stuff is like shoveling straight water. Stay green. Ah, shoot. Nuts. Street Anoka, kind of soupy. 27 degrees, so it's fairly warm, relatively speaking. For anybody down in Florida who's not thinking 27 degrees would be real warm, but in Minnesota, hey, 27 degrees in February, that's not too terrible.
Long music says, I bet you do, especially this morning. That's coming up next.
Trees around our neighborhood. We're supposed to be getting hit by another round of this later. Here it is, the end of February, and this is our first major snow event here. Snow event, but it's a snowstorm for heaven's sake. Nothing like what we've had in the past, though. Years when I was growing up. Those were some nasty ones back in the 70s. Stop sign, we're going to disregard that. That last one, I think, was just a suggestion. I'm going to disregard that one. Well, I think we'll head home. Yeah, we've had a pretty mild winter so far, but I think it'd be foolish as Minnesotans to believe that we make it through the entire season without having Mother Nature come up and kick us squarely in the face. Hard. Oh my God. Look at that tree. kidding me? Thanks a lot, snowplows. Hang on.